Guardate la sua espressione in questo momento. Adoro.
You are amazing.
Adoro.
What else can I say? Relax.
你在干啥？
Good boy. Wow, incredible. I'll wreck the whole house for you. Is it that real or I'm dreaming?
3, 2, 1. Ready or not, here I come.
Oh, he scared me.
Really, Kimmy? I found it.
Oh,
Where's
who's such good
Winston?
boy here.
I wonder where Winston is.
Okay, who's the real king here?
Şimdi geriye doğru yaslanır mısın?
Wow, incredible.
Şimdi verebilirsin.
Poor Bliss. Now this is life. You are amazing. What else can I say? It's so satisfying. It's so satisfying. So gentle. Now this is life. So gentle. Relax. Who's the cutest little feather retrieve? Oh, this is what I call true love. Oh my God, what are you doing? You're sneaky little guy. It's so satisfying. Is it that real or I'm dreaming? This friendship is so surprising. Now this is life. Good boy. Pause up. Wow, incredible. Oh, who is such good boy here? This friendship is so surprising. Oh, who is such good boy here? Oh my, what's happening?